In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add annotations in Figma. We will walk through the native annotations feature and a simple plugin-based approach so you can clearly communicate design intent to teammates and developers. A quick heads up before we begin, Figma's built-in annotations feature is available on paid plans. So if you don't see it, you may need to upgrade. If that's not an option, stick around, because the plugin method will still get you clean, shareable callouts. Let's start with the native tool. Look at the bottom toolbar and find the comment icon. Click it to open the drop-down. Then choose the annotation tool. If you like shortcuts, you can press the Y key to jump straight to it. With the tool active, click the element you want to annotate. This anchors your note to that specific object so it stays context aware as your design evolves. Type your note in clear, direct language. Think of it as a short instruction or clarification. Next, pick a category that best describes what you are documenting, such as color or layout. Categories make it easier for others to scan and filter your notes. If you need to be more specific, click plus property and add specs like size or fill. This is perfect for handing off exact values and reducing back and forth later. Keep your properties consistent across the file so everything is easy to reference. Now, if you want a more visual numbered system or you aren't on a paid plan, let's use the Annotate plugin. Open the Quick Actions search with Ctrl-K, type Annotate. Select it and run the plugin. Then, select a frame or a specific element you want to document. Inside the plugin, click plus. Create annotation. This drops a numbered marker directly on your design, which is great for step-by-step walkthroughs or multi-part directions. Fill in the title and description to clearly explain what the marker refers to and why it matters. You can also adjust the annotation's color to match your project's labeling system and choose a size small, medium, or large, depending on how dense your layout is and how prominent you want the markers to appear. Larger sizes can help during presentations, while smaller ones are less intrusive during design reviews. Whichever method you choose, aim for clarity and consistency. Keep notes brief but complete. Use categories and properties to capture essential specs and place annotations exactly where the reader's eye needs guidance. That way, your files tell the full story without extra meetings or confusion. Thanks for watching.